Flash. Yeah, be specific. Flash your brights. Okay. The other one's for after you get pulled over. Okay. So now, by the way, inside this room, up until that exit sign, this is the world of reality. Outside those doors is the world of, like, the matrix, the false, the not real. Why do I say that? I will never be able to present a politically correct workshop, training, or keynote. Because for me to do that means I have to psychically read every single one of your minds, know every single thing that's happened to you in your life, so I don't say something that offends you. Would that be pretty accurate? Is that anywhere even 1% possible? And how many people, including people in this room, live that way? That you're supposed to say different things, change the way you are, and be different so you don't upset me, even though you have no idea what upsets me. And if you do something that upsets me, obviously it's not my fault, it's their fault. Do you want to know? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.